The tail does not wag the dog in trading. We are the tail. The professional traders are the dog. They're the ones with all of the money. My seven-figure mentor used to refer to them as the sharks. When I first sat with him, he said, you realize you're getting into a business where you're jumping into the ocean with a bunch of sharks. You are the easy prey. So unless you can figure out a way to avoid them, evade them, everything else, and then just kind of follow along in their path. Basically, this is weird. It's coming into my head. I don't think I've ever said this in my life. It's like to pick up their scraps. But one thing he did say was, we are the pilot fish on the whale's back. Jump on, go for a ride, but get off before you get hurt. And that's what we do. We get into the trades. I'm going to teach you how to spot, qualify, enter, manage, and exit these market reversals, these A+ high value trades. When you have rules, what I refer to as etched in stone rules, when you have etched in stone rules for each step in the process, that automatically eliminates virtually everything that takes people out of the game. Okay? People get into a trade. I hear this all the time. They get into a trade and they use their P&L as their indicator to get out. In other words, as soon as I hit 500, as soon as I hit 5,000, as soon as I hit 50,000, whatever the number is, I'm going to get out. Well, what if it doesn't go to 500? What if it goes to 489? Are you going to dig your heels in, in your mind, stay the course because you're $11 away and you deserve that money? No. We take what the market gives us, and we are happy to do so. Sometimes it's 500, sometimes it's 300, sometimes it's minus 150, which leads me to our stop. We do everything that we can to mitigate our risk. We put a 15-cent stop on every option contract so that we are risking a maximum of $15 per contract. It's a very simple approach. Yes, it's a very tight stop, but here's the thing. When you have these incredibly dependable rules that teach you exactly when to time your trade, you can have that tight stop. When you get a newsletter or an alert or some trader that's telling you to follow them on some whatever, I don't even know what they're called anymore. Do you really think that they're taking these trades? Number one, they're not. Number two, do you really think they're getting the price that they say? Isn't it funny? It used to be with newsletters that I never understood the newsletter crowd anyway. And there's a company that's made billions of dollars selling newsletters. I've never understood it because by the time you get it in the mail, I know today we're all in an email and text world and everything's instantaneous. But think about it. You're still getting information sent to you through email or text, and it's saying, hey, we like whatever, Apple at $225 a share, whatever it is. And you look at it, you go, oh, okay, well, I'm gonna take some of my money and my IRA account or whatever it is. You look at it and you go, well, I'm gonna put money in Apple. And you wiggle your mouse and you check Apple's price, and Apple's at $227. And you immediately think, well, the alert said $225. But it's $227. So did I miss the boat? Am I getting in too late? Am I getting in when everybody else has made their profit? And then you start second guessing. Second guessing is a killer in trading. All right. So there's no timely way of trading unless you do it yourself, in my opinion.